What's up guys, this place is coming to you live again. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to 50x your capital by trading altcoins that's on the Moonbeam network. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button, and join us in our community. So currently, Moonbeam is the one power chain of Polkadot, which just launched in this month, and a lot of activities have been going on. And you need to understand that a lot of activities have been going on most of those tokens that on the Polkadot power chain. So Moonbeam will be the first uh, token that has its own network on the its own network is getting a lot of activities right now, and you need to consider some things that's going on. So I'm going to teach you what you need to do. I make a past video which you see in it currently in this video right now on how to bridge your funds from Binance to the Monero network. So you can bridge from Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Okay, actually, even in this video, I think that discover a much more improved way of doing it. Actually, using one of the tokens I just invested in, and I learned that you can do much more with it. So let's get to this video. So Moonbeam, as I told you before, has been doing well, and a lot of things that's going on. You need to catch on the next trend that's got what is going on. And especially this year, there are a lot of things that will be going on for those power chains on Polkadot as they are launching. A lot of activities will be coming up. Akala and Moonbeam and Soda is coming. So first of all, you want to bridge your funds from Binance, from BSC. Most of us have BSC, USDT, or Ethereum USDT. So what you need to do is, first of all, you withdraw out your token and set up your wallet. So first of all, you need to set up your wallet, and is that you are using Trust Wallet or you are using what they call it, you are using MetaMask wallet. So what you need to do is that if you are using Trust Wallet, there is currently no network for Moonbeam on Trust Wallet, which is that's the disadvantage of someone that is using Trust Wallet at this moment, and Connect Network. So I've checked also that, but there's more of the options for people that is on or using MetaMask wallet. So this is what you need to do: withdraw out your tokens to your wallet address, either Ethereum or BSC. BSC is advisable. So you go to stellarswap.com/bridge. It will be in the description of this video. So you can see here, this is the easiest, even if it's better than the first video I did. You can see the first video on top of this video. You can actually swipe it, just select your network that you want to change on it. Select it, then you choose no view from here. You select the token you want to choose, then let me show you something. Actually, if you click on this, it will tell you this is the minimum amount. So what actually is that the minimum amount of BNB that can be bridged on this bridge is 0.001, or probably you're having your BUSD, so it means you have to cash out a BUSD. So the minimum is $5. I mean, $5 worth of BUSD is a lot of. I mean, this is much more better than the one I did first video, the previous video, the last video I made. So and the maximum is 10 million, and the fee is zero. Okay. And that's the first thing you need to understand. So to transfer you transfer your BUSD into BUSD on the Moonbeam network. So and one of the things that you need to understand is that you need to set up your MetaMask. So there will be also some setup link on description. You go to those websites. For example, you need to watch one of my past video actually to see how to do that crossing over. So in case have not watched it, you can actually see it here. All you need to just go to the website here and click on connect to MetaMask. When you click on this, Moonbeam, What it does is that it gives you the setup instantly into your MetaMask. Your wallet MetaMask will be asked to it because I've set up mine, it's already connected. So after that, you would bridge. After you have bridged your money into your Moonbeam because I've changed it. That's why it's automatically changing it. So the next thing you want to do is that now we want to explore. We want to explore the Moonbeam the Moonbeam Explorer. See that every blockchain has its own explorer, and each explorer has give you a lot of details of what's going on. Right now, there's not more that much activities going up on the Moonbeam. That gives you a lot of early advantage. Okay, before the bruise comes in, and I speculate a lot of things that will be happening this year actually. So I will tell you some of them during the video. So the explorer is there. This is block scott dot moonbeam dot network dot so this gives you a lot of things that going on. So first of all you need to do is that you go to transaction. Okay, so go to transaction, go to valid transaction. So this gives you this kind of the latest one that's being put on. It's usually the latest transaction that's going on, and you want to scan some of these transactions to see what's going on and where the money is going on. If you see something that is it's repeating himself frequently, that's a lot of money. I'm not talking about moving himself. Moving himself is you need to understand it's GLMR. So WGLMR, yeah, you're seeing like is wrapped movie, which is the same thing as movie himself. You get what I'm saying? And so the other token that I know is I'm seeing Fleur, and also seeing Beam.io. I'm seeing Stella. I'm seeing Stella. I'm seeing a transaction going towards let's see again, Fleur. Another one going to Stake Moonbeam. Another one going to USD Stella. So that gives you an instant, another Stella again. So that gives you an instant that there's so much more activities going on Stella. So what if you need to do is just you click on it, you click on Stella here to see what is going on. So actually I've invested in this, and this is the same platform I'm showing you here. And I'll show you some things that some details. So I'm telling you the steps how I come up with this token. You get what I'm saying? So we are making 50x. You can make 50x, especially if they launch early and it gets so most times I actually get in very early. Yes, I'm privileged to some most of them actually. So and these are new decks on the Moonbeam network actually. So when you click on it, you see what's going up here. So you can actually copy the the contract address. This is going on. So now what you need to do is that how you do verify some things because there's actually ability to be approved. There's some token that can't be approved, and there's some token that I can't take your money away. So the next thing to do that you need to get yourself used to a platform called Dex Screener. Now, Dex Screener, most of you might be used to shitcoin. And then you know of Pokecoin app. So this is a much advanced Pokecoin app because it has a almost most relevant network that you need to really make money. So you can see it has a lot of it's exploring um a lot of um, a lot of blockchains. So you can see even the movement that was just is already on it, and that one's like a Moonweaver also. So as you can see from it, it's that one beautiful thing about like this. It gives you a lot of charts, it gives you the decks on each of these platforms. That's currently on this platform there's only 7 or 8 decks, and this is one I was talking about. So you can simply, if it's another coin else, you can simply come here and copy this here. So what it does is that it gives you what's going on. So I want really actually want to check the token paired towards USDT. I want to check its paired to USDT. I want to check its paired against USDT. Okay, USDC. So this is what's going on, and currently it's $30. So why is this chart very important? The reason why this chart is very important is knows you help you to know if it is pumping, if it's a good entry on it. And one of the advantage of the desk screener is that it allows you to give that's much more better than Pookcoin is that it allows you to set what they call Telegram price alerts. For example, if I am watching for most of us that that on Pokemon, maybe I want to set my coin at 10x, or I'm not waiting for the dip of the coin. Once you click on the Telegram price alerts on Dex 2, you can add this to your Telegram. You get what I'm saying? And set up the price of that pair, taking the contract address. And for example, you can create, you can see here, create on start, then click on start. When you click on start, you can now copy. You can see, say for example, if you send what, you give them the contract address. So what you need to do is just copy the link of this now, copy it, and and paste like this. You get what I'm saying? You want to paste, you click on this. So once you click on this, this is what is showing you. So the next thing is that is this what you want actually? Stellar USD. You say, you just simply reply with yes. Now, so if you reply with yes, uh you can actually see what is going on here and see a lot of things that are going on. So now you can see that it say alert me when the price is okay. So these are the examples of how you do it: over $300, under 4 point something dollars, over 10 USD. You get what I'm saying? So now maybe I want to purchase this token Stellar right now from using TA. I want a dip around this area. Okay, this dip around this area. I want a dip around this area. Okay, so it means from what I'm seeing from TF seeing here, if it dips to 24.457, I want to purchase this Stellar token USD on the Moonbeam network. So this now I can now set it on the Telegram link. Okay, let me set this that something like this. So right now I'll just simply type, but me I'm copying, so you need to understand that. So I'll just type when the token gets to 24 USD, give me what alert. Okay, so it will tell you that you let you know when Stellar is this. So you can reply with yes. Now this is one of the most beautiful thing I love about this, because right now you don't need to be monitoring all about. You don't need to be going. You don't need to be going to anytime. Oh, let me go and check the chat. This one you just come to the Telegram and it will just give you alerts like a message on your notification. Maybe you are even on your WhatsApp on that network. So this is another knowledge I used to know. This is why I love text screener actually. So after that, you know the price you want to enter. Now, why did I want to invest in this project? One, look at the charts. It looks like it's doing well. Look at the website. It's a reasonable website, and one of the aim that we're talking about is we want to make 50x of our token. We want to make 50x of our project. Now, most of the uh, IBIX high reward token I'm doing, you'll be giving a lot of profit and it can also make us lose a lot of money. The main goal of this particular video and this is to accumulate enough Moonbeam, because it has a lot of prospects in this year. It is a Polkadot parachain token. Polkadot is one of the tokens that will do well because they are considered one of the Web3s. If you know a lot of things, if you're Telegram group, you know a lot of things about Web3 and DAOs and other things that's going on. So the main aim is we want to accumulate a lot of it. You want to make a lot of profits. You can actually convert it to USD and sell. You get what I'm saying? Because right now the exchanges are not still giving you, they are not giving us chance to withdrawals. So that's about that thing. And the next thing you also want to watch out for, you have gotten a perfect token that will get you uh that will get you that will get you your profits. You are seeing it and you have explored this out and you are seeing exactly what you need to do. So this is how the screen is. So it's like popcorn. It shows you the numbers of sales and buys that is there, and it gives you the watch list. You can actually create your own watch list of every token. So on different on different chains that is existing. See all of them. That's why I love this particular text too. I love it a lot of times. I love it. And one more thing again, that you have gotten that thing, you can actually explore more because you wanna get early. Yes, the main goal is getting early, taking quick profits. You are making quick profit of 50 to 100x. For example, let me show you an instance of what I know before. I think if you are in my group, you could have heard about. I talk about Goals network. This is Rise mirrored network. They just launched recent. So this is the two current text to on this platform. But let me show you something. On the US swap actually, and we got some airdrop on it. Yeah, this token launch at that time, and they're like, "Oh, I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy it." Why? Because the website was doing bad. But what I noticed was now because I didn't see the alert. I was underestimating the token. Look at what happened here. I got this kind of DP there. I was like, one, the website is not loading. Two, uh, it is launching the first day and it's having issues. Did not buy. Watch this. Look at from 0.4 to $50. That, for Christ's sake, is 10s on a token on the first day of launch. So you need to understand that you need to also watch out for if the token has prospect, the community of the token. So you need to track some of these projects you're investing in on Telegram or search on them on Twitter, okay, to know if you would want to put your money in that project. Okay, so why Stellar Swap is easy for me to put money is because you see this here. It means these are desk tools on what I call it on the Moonbrain network. Okay, and the next thing you should understand is that if you check on the seller website, you can actually make a lot of and earn a lot of Moonbeam by engaging the pool and also farming. Let me show you a lot of APYs. Imagine you are earning 2,138 stellar per day. Not you, but the whole what do I call it? The whole pool in this year is the whole farm slot here is allocated with 2,138 and the APY is 2,766, which means that in 365 days you'll be earning close to 2 to 5% by staking your stellar moonbeam uh over here. And understand that you see the TBL is even very small. It's not even up to a million. Some of them are not able to million. So it depends on you. So you need to also understand how to do what they call LP token, liquidity pool token. You need to understand that. You need to watch a video on that. Actually, watch a video on that, and also the stable farm on it, and the stellar farm. So there's a lot of different options for you. You can actually use your move just a movie to earn stellar, and this is 1% per day. And this project has a lot of prospect because these are the decks. These are the first decks, hmm? The first decks on the Roambrain network, like your BSC. And understand that you see that several of them, as I showed you, there are several of them here. So the ones that are doing right now is the Stellar Swap, the one I'm voting for, the Solar Swap, the Sunflower Swap. Now, if you think why they are doing Sunflower Swap, let me show you something on the network of Moonbeam. If you continue to stroll through, you see the stroll through. So I give this transaction give me a lot of vibes because now this one is still a method I can use for now because there's not much a lot of activities, and you are still on the early stage of this particular project. I hope you get that. Yeah, still at the early stage of particular project. You see that sunshine is here. You see this is sunshine flower. This is sunflower tokens symbol, and if you check it again, you see another one that's transferring to it. This is Flora. So let's check out from Flora was from here too. can see Flower is also doing well at this moment, and it is still at it's currently still at, okay, let me see, it's currently still at yeah, it's currently still at $2. Okay, it's currently at $2, and look at the chart. It has gotten that pump and you're getting that deep that you want, you can actually enter this price. The reason why is because these are the early platforms for Moonbeam. And one of the beautiful things about Moonbeam is that you can actually track the website of the particular project you got into. So, for example, if you see it here, you can see trade on what Solar Strike. So, when you click on this, it will just simply take you to the Dex 2. Okay, it's simply take you to the website of the project. So that's how your text series does not just add any token, they add it and also add the website of what you are was investing in. So I have some paying farming here. I have some farming on this platform. I have some farming I have some farming on Solar Flare, and I have some farming on Pad Swap. Okay, so these are projects that can give you 50x. Yeah, because there's a lot of prospects on this project. And there's a lot of shit coins too. Most of the reason of people that only don't treat shit coins on the movie network. Now, this is how you exploit them. Most times, if you come around to token, you come around to token, you see a lot of them. Like, see, I think fewer tokens on Moonbeam network actually. But you need to be very, very careful because most of those shit coins I found on this platform here currently is, for example, let's say first bring. If you check on first bring here now, you can check on the country address. So we are coming back to this place and we are clicking here to search, and no PM, you see, no PM yet. But let me ensure that I'm copying the right address actually. Okay, simply that's a red flag. I'm not investing in that. Uh, but I will check the community. You can actually check the community, search the community. But on this platform, they will not give it to you on the platform. So let me also the other ones that I see. Okay, let me say give me Enu. Yes, this is a shit coin. It currently, I mean, how much there is there is total of 1 million tokens. Let me click on this and search on this also. So if you search on this, no paying again. So I will not buy some of these ones. Some of these ones I won't want to buy them. Okay, let's go ahead and check them. So this how I do them. So for example, save win, another shit coin. Some of them use replica of the names of what you know PSC network, and also made out some tokens from them. Okay, okay. I think I'm aware this project has its own pair. So I need to refresh this and ensure that I'm not doing the wrong thing. Okay, another flag. So there's a lot of things that is going on this platform. Yeah, that's going on right now. Some of these projects might not have even launched actually. So let's go. Let's see more. Okay, let's see. Moon Shiba. Moon Shiba. Let's copy this Moon Shiba. Then we come on to here and search. No PME again. I think I've seen one actually called dog. Okay, so let's okay. This is dog. So that's actually dog in different that's what level. This there's dog in different platforms. There's dog on BUSD, dog token on BUSD, dog token on app IPSwap, dog token on Chrome, dog token on Eco Chain, and there are also I'm going to move on. You want to search on moving, there'll be the moving option should be part of them. Yeah, this is dog moving. So For example, I say look at the chart, flattened out. So there are actually shit coins there, but you need to be very, very careful of some of the ones you put your money into. These are the ones I exploited. So these are the steps you can actually engage on. So in case you want some of those projects that you should put money in, I know it should go well, you can actually join my Telegram group and you can see some of the signals there. I'm definitely going to drop some of them often and some most especially of my VIP group actually. Yeah, that one is there, but you can actually earn money from that and you're gonna be dropping them. So if you are in a group already, this is what I expect of you to watch and learn how to do it. But unfortunately, most of you cannot engage because of there's still not yet more being added onto the trust wallet and some of your phone mobile wallets actually. So currently, people that use laptop can take advantage of this. So thank you out guys. Peace out and see you another time.